steering wheel I was telling you about, Formula 1 style. So basically, let's do this whole test on the exhaust sound so you guys can hear what the different settings are. I'm gonna start by just starting her up. Okay, so now basically you can see that it's in comfort mode over there, and it has a sport sound on the exhaust. So this is what it sounds like in comfort mode with the exhaust valves open. Okay, so over there, that's the standard engine sound that you see. So this is what it sounds like with the standard engine sound. You can hear it's a much quieter, much quieter. So over here on the steering wheel, you can do your drive select. So what I'm gonna do is put the car into park again and then select my dynamic mode, which is the sport mode. And in the sport mode, I'm gonna show you what it sounds like with the exhaust valves on standard. We have a standard sound there. So you can hear it sounds quite nice. That's in sport mode with the exhaust valves on standard. So I'm just gonna push the button again and we're gonna put it onto sport on the exhaust sound, on sport mode on the car as well. So that's what it sounds like in sport mode with the exhaust valves open. So you can see it's quite a majestic sounding engine, and all this coming from a 2.5 liter turbocharged motor. So now you guys can judge for yourselves whether the exhaust valve does work. I particularly think it does work. Like in comfort mode with the exhaust valves off, that's eco mode with the exhaust valves off. You can hear it sounds quite